Hello there, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install apps with Downloader. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Now, this process will be simple and straight to the point. I'll show you a couple of methods so you master how to do it. Now, I have my download application right there on the dashboard. So I'm navigating to it and I'm clicking on the download application to launch. Alright, now we have the app launched. So you're greeted with an interface that has a lot going on. You have I'll just show you a rundown of the application's dashboard. So you see that circle hovering up and down. That is the cursor. On this, I've navigated to the top left and I've opened the panel to see this drop down on the sandwich bar, which has home, files, favorites, settings. You could do all these tweaks here. My interest is to show you what's on the home screen. So going back to the home screen, you can see the cursor on the screen. Now you see some web material. That's not of concern. Our concern here is how to download apps. So if you just go up to the search bar, you have an option to type in a code. You can type in a URL link. You can type in a search. So for instance, if I want to download the Facebook application, this is the first app, the first method of this example. I'll just type Facebook. And I hit on done. This is going to allow the browser to search. It will be like a search engine. So it's going to find an APK file. I like this one from facebook.com. So there are various sources to download the application, but I'm going to use this one. Just navigate to it. So we download the APK and then we'll use the APK to install, and we'll install the application. We're going to have any application of choice installed on the Google TV. So it could be from any of these sites. I'm currently going with this version from what is called Malavida. I think that's what I said. So click on this and we'll click on that link. We're going to redirect you to the download button. So you're going to find the download button here. There's a Facebook APK file. Click on the file and you see it download into your device. So just find the download button, click on the download button and wait for it to begin to download. So this is how the download toggle looks on the download application. It tells you your file download progress. Wait for the progress to complete, and after download, you are always asked to install the application. When installation is complete, you're going to be asked if you want to delete or keep the download package file. I advise you always delete the download package file. Your Google TV has just some space, so deleting those download package files always allows for space and to save space on your Google TV. So I'm sitting tight waiting for the download to complete, but it's not too necessary. I've explained the process and how to show you all the methods. So I'm going to show you the next method to use the download application. So the first is to just search for the app with an APK at the end. The next, you're going to use a code. So the next method of getting apps here is a code. Just head back to the home page, return to this search bar and put in a code. So I've clicked on the search bar and the code I'm going to put in is the code for the unlimited application. So 10. So that's 10381. Now you may be wondering, where do I get this code from? Or where could you get codes for the apps you want to download? There are a lot of videos on this channel showing you a wide variety of codes for different applications. Just go through the channel and find those codes. There are videos showing you a video just about codes. So I'll not cover codes here. Get those videos watched and you find the codes you need for a lot of applications of your choice. So when you put in a code, click OK, and that is going to load up a redirection. The redirection will take you to a download site, automatically downloading that file. So you see how fast that went. The file is downloaded, is staged, and there you find an install button. I have an update button here because the file is already in the device. So if you click update, the app updates and you can click on done or open the application. So basically that's the process, and this is what I spoke about earlier, where you have the download successful message and you have the option to delete the download package file. So click on delete and that will delete the download package file. So just click on delete, that takes it out, and now you can head over to your library. Under apps you can access the applications that you've downloaded. That's how to use the download application. As you can see on the top right, that's the only app we just downloaded. If you found value in that tutorial, if you know how to use the download application, hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel for content just like this, and I'll see you in the next video with another banger.